What's up everyone, it's me Sergio with Mobility Direct. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, we're going to talk about mobility scooters that have the best suspension and that provide the smoothest ride quality. Now, if you're like me and you have arthritis in your knees, lower back pain, or even shoulder pain and wrist pain, a rough riding mobility scooter can make things so much worse and ruin your day. And honestly, not all suspension systems are made equally. In fact, I would argue that air-filled tires like these are actually more important than suspension systems when it comes to providing a smoother ride. Now, we're going to talk about all that today and more. And make sure you stay tuned to the very end of the video, because somewhere towards the end, I am going to put a hidden message on the screen. The first 20 people to spot it are going to get access to an exclusive discount code that'll save you big on your next purchase at mobilitydirect.com. So pay attention, see if you spot that hidden message. Now, what you see here is my personal favorite, #1 choice for smooth ride quality, the Afikim S4 HD with the upgraded golf tire package, and I have a 2-person seat on it. I've had this thing for 5 years. It's the only scooter I choose to ride on a daily basis with my loved ones, my family. If I were gonna buy a mobility scooter for someone that needs something to go off-road and to be very smooth, this is the one I'd pick, hands down, bar none. Now make sure you watch our next video, because I'm gonna tell you all about this scooter on our next video, all the specs, torture tested on various terrain types, and you're gonna learn a secret about this thing that no other dealer is talking about. And that secret's exactly why this has been our #1 selling off-road scooter for over 10 years. So make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Now again, the smooth ride quality is the topic of this video, and this is one that resonates with me because I do have arthritis and lower back pain that started from 3 knee surgeries, and it's been working itself up to my hip, my lower back, and I just need something smooth to make me have a comfortable ride. And if you're like me, you know that comfort matters a lot. A rough scooter can flare up your back, irritate your arthritis, fatigue your shoulders, and just make rides extremely uncomfortable. And again, one of the biggest misconceptions is that suspension alone is what matters when it comes to ride quality. But like I said, tires matter just as much, maybe even more. Air-filled tires absorb small vibrations incredibly well. Things like cracks in the sidewalk, uneven pavement, small bumps, all get softened significantly by pneumatic air-filled tires. The wider the tire, the better it's going to do at smoothing out that ride. Solid tires, on the other hand, tend to transfer those vibrations directly to your lower back. That's why many scooters with suspension still have a rough ride. Now again, the smoothest riding option on the market is the Afikim S4. This thing rides like butter, and honestly, once you drive one, it's really hard to go back to any other cheaper models out there. The ride quality is just on another level. You get front-end suspension, rear suspension, large air-filled tires, and an incredibly stable chassis, excellent seat comfort. But honestly, one thing that doesn't get talked about enough is the steering ergonomics. The Afikim tiller design just feels effortless to control, especially compared to other heavy-duty models. That means less wrist fatigue, less shoulder strain, and less effort steering over rough terrain. And if you deal with arthritis or shoulder pain, that matters a lot. Now, the Afikim C model is the smaller brother. It's basically the same design with a smaller frame, supports up to 400 pounds, whereas the S model can support up to 600 pounds. You still get incredible suspension, air-filled tires, premium ride quality, and excellent comfort on the C model, but in a slightly smaller package that's easier to maneuver. And if you want to learn more about either of these models or any model that we talk about in this video, keep in mind we have in-depth review videos for each one, and we even have comparison videos that show you the pros and the cons for each model. We also do torture tests, which are a lot of fun for us. You shouldn't try those things at home. We push these things to the limits. We tow vehicles with them, like full-size SUVs and trucks with tow straps. I've even rigged up trailers to these things. We do all sorts of crazy things to push these scooters to the limit. It's really entertaining, it's a lot of fun, but it's dangerous. Again, don't try that at home. Now, if you're enjoying this video, please do us a favor, take the time to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions. We will reply within 1 business day. Doing those things is what helps us grow the channel. And it would mean a lot if you could just take a moment to hit the subscribe button. It's totally free to do, and it's the best way to show your support. All right, so the next scooter I want to talk about is the Eagle by Golden Technologies. This happens to be the all-terrain, which is the bigger brother of the heavy-duty model. The heavy-duty model is slightly smaller, The all-terrain, like the name suggests, is built for all terrain types. These scooters are very comparable to the Afikim lineup. You get excellent suspension, air-filled tires that are super wide, tons of power, and great outdoor performance. Honestly, they're very impressive scooters, but I still prefer the Afikim scooters over the Eagle scooters. And the reason why I say that is because they're a lot easier to control, especially when going off-road. The tiller geometry and steering effort simply feel more refined to me. Now that doesn't mean the Eagle is bad, not at all. It's one of the smoothest riding scooters on the market. I just think the Afikim edges it out slightly in overall refinement and control. Now folks, if you want to learn more about this product in a more traditional sense, keep in mind, we have a printed catalog that we can mail to you for free. It's got discount codes, ton of information about our top selling products and our company. To claim a copy, you can either click at the top right-hand corner of the screen where it says Get Free Catalog, or go to our website, mobilitydirect.com, click on the green button that says Get Free Catalog, and fill out the simple short form that you're seeing on the screen now. You could also just call the number below with any questions that you have. Our non-commissioned sales experts would love to answer them and earn your business. You could also just give them your address over the phone, and they'll make sure that we get a catalog out to you as soon as possible. Now let's talk about a few other models that I think are really going to give you a smooth ride and are going to be a lot more affordable, because these two scooters go for around $5,000. They're not cheap, but they are loaded with all the bells and the whistles and built like tanks. Check out the in-depth review videos at the end to learn more about them. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, I do want to talk about the Victory LX Sport by Pride Mobility. This scooter gives you full suspension, sporty styling, solid ride comfort, and excellent value for your money. And honestly, for the price point, the ride quality is surprisingly good. Now, no, it's not going to ride as smooth as the Afikim or the Eagle because it doesn't have the air-filled tires. That's one of the main differences. But for the price point, you really can't beat it. So if comfort is important to you, but budget is tighter, the Victory LX Sport is a fantastic option if you're willing to sacrifice the air-filled tires. Now, I also want to give a few honorable mentions to the Cobra by Drive Medical, the Silverado Extreme by Merritts, and the Pioneer by Merritts as well. These offer air-filled tires and full suspension, and they're all excellent choices if ride comfort is your top priority. I'm going to throw a few shots of those models on the screen. As you may have guessed by now, yes, we have full in-depth review videos for those models as well. I encourage you to check them out or give us a call, ask questions about them. Our non-commissioned sales experts are here to guide you into a product that suits your needs, your budget, not something that's going to pay them a high commission like our competitors do. Now, before we wrap this video up, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this video, and I want to tell you about our mission to give back. Did you know that Mobility Direct gives away mobility devices to people in need all the time? Veterans, people that are homeless, amputees, people that are just struggling to get around with a cane, a walker, a manual wheelchair that's breaking down. We show up with cameras rolling and we give them a mobility device for free. The reactions that we get on camera are priceless, and if you want to see those giveaway videos, I'll put the link to the playlist in the top right-hand corner of the screen. More importantly, if you want to be a part of this mission to give back, consider shopping at Mobility Direct. Part of every sale goes towards funding our next giveaway. Help us spread the word. Share this video on your Facebook page. Tell a friend about Mobility Direct. Together, we can make a difference. One mobility device at a time. Now make sure you stay tuned for that next video. You're not going to want to miss it. Again, I'm Sergio with Mobility Direct. We'll see you in the next video.